Hello everyone, this is class 7th maths chapter 6 exercise 6a as we have already started this exercise. So today we will start with question number 13. 10 gram of an alloy of metals A and B contains 7.5 gram of metal A and the rest is metal B. Means we have a alloy and the total weight of alloy is 10 gram. The total weight is 10 gram. Beta, please focus on this thing because the other amount is given in numbers, but the 10 gram is not given in numbers. It is given in word. So the total weight of alloy is 10 gram, and out of 10, metal A is 7.5 gram and rest is metal B. Means how to find metal B? We will subtract 7.5 from the 10 and then we will get. Find the ratio between two parts are given to find here. Number one, the weight of metal A. We have to find ratio of weight of metal A and metal B in the alloy. Whatever is coming first will be written in the numerator and later on that will be written in the denominator. So let's start. So the total weight of an alloy is 10 gram. Weight of metal A is this. And weight of metal B. How we will find? We will find it by subtracting the weight of metal A from out of the metal, total metal. So it is 10 gram minus 7.5 gram. I have told this thing many times that if there is decimal in one number and other number is without decimal, then how to subtract it. So 10.0, 7.5. Decimal will come under the decimal. So it will be 5. It becomes 10 now, so 10 minus 5 is 5 and you will get 9 here, so 9 minus 2 will be 9 minus 7 will be 2, that is 2.5 gram. So as per the question part 1, we have to find ratio of weight of the metal A and metal B. Ratio of weight of metal A to metal B. So what is coming first? Metal A. So what is the amount of metal A? 7.5 gram over metal B, that is 2.5 gram. Clear? So we can solve it simply by cancelling it here, or you can remove the decimal. When we will remove the decimal, you can write it 75 gram, and when we will remove its decimal you will get 10 here, and then we have 25, and then its decimal will change to 10. It will be written like this. Gram will be cancelled with gram, 10 and 10, then 25 ones are 25, 25 threes are 75. So we got 3 over 1. In the form of ratio, we can write it 3:1. So next part, the weight of metal B and the weight of the alloy. Means we will take weight of metal B is 2.5 and the weight of total alloy is 10 gram. So what is coming first? Metal B. So we will write its value like in the numerator, that is 2.5. Total weight of the alloy is 10. Gram and gram will be cancelled with each other. You will get 2.5 over 10. How to solve? By removing the decimal, you will get 10 as it is into. When you will remove its decimal, you will get 10 also. So it is 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. You will get the answer 1 over 4, and in the form of ratio you will write it 1:4. That is required answer. Let's move to the further question. The ages of two boys A and B are 6 years 8 months and 7 years 4 months respectively. Divide this amount in the ratio of their ages. You need to focus on this line, beta. Here you need to focus because here you can make a mistake. What he has written, this amount we have to divide in these two boys, but in the ratio of their ages, means firstly we need to find the ratio of the ages of two boys. Clear? Then whatever ratio will come, in that ratio we will divide this amount. For that, let's write age of boy A, or you can simply write age of A, that is 6 years 8 months. I have told many times this thing, beta, that if 2 units are given, then we can't solve the question in 2 units. We need to make the unit same. We need to write them in a single unit. So for that we will change the years into months. Now we must know how many months are in 1 year. 12 months. So instead of year, we will multiply 6 with 12. And this 8 is already in months, so you can add this. You will get 12 6 72 plus 8. You will get 80 months. Same for the second. Age of B, that is 7 years 4 months. Let's make the unit same by converting year into months. How to do? We will multiply 7 with 12 and will add the 4 months. It's a very basic concept you have done in the previous question, beta. Previous classes, sorry. Yeah, 12 into 7 is 84 plus 4, 88 months, right? Now, as per the requirement of question, we need to find the ratio of their ages. Ratio of ages. To find the ratio of ages, age of A is 80 months. So we will write it 80 months over 88 months. See, how to decide which number will come in the numerator in this case? They did not specify it that we have to find the ratio of B to A or A to B. So in the respective order, as we got the values, in the same way we will find it. So now let's cancel it. Yes, you will get 10 over 11 is equals to 10 ratio 11. Now we will divide this amount. For that, I have already discussed in the previous questions that if ratio is given in this manner, we will let the numbers firstly 10, so 10x comma 11x. Now total amount is this that we have to divide. Do its total. 10x plus 11x is equals to rupees 3150. 21x is equals to 3150. Find the value of x by dividing it with 21. Clear? And you will get the value of x 150. Now put the value of x. You can write share of A is equals to, as we know it is 10x, we can put the value of 10 here and it becomes 1500 rupees. Now share of B is 11 into 150. After multiplying, you will get yes, 1650 rupees. That's all about this question. Next we will do in next video. Thank you.